Hello everybody, today we will focus on solving LeetCode problem 547, number of the provinces. If you read the question, we are given of the binary list. This binary list shows the city and their connection. As you can see on the picture, on the photo, you can just think about like that. This is number one, it's connection. City number one has connection with itself and connection with number two, city number two, and don't have any connection with city number 3. It's same for the other cities also. The most important key points is here to understand the indirectly and directly connection and the provinces. What's the directly connection? Directly connection is, say for instance, T1 has connection directly, and actually directly connection has connection with city number 2. Let's in this case is not, but let's suppose that city number 3 has connection with city 2, but don't have any connection with city 1. City 1 and city 3 is connected over 2 indirectly. That's the first key point. And the second point is that provinces. We need to just our function should return the number of the provinces. What's the provinces? Provinces is that if these are connected each other, they can be counted as a province. If not, they cannot be. They can be self provinces. How did I solve that problem? I have used the depth first search because of the directly or indirectly. Why I have the why depth first search? What's my logic? My logic is that I have defined first of all the dictionary and status of the cities as false. And I get to start from city number 1. I check my connections. If I have a connection to the other cities, I check that also the disconnections. With that way, I can find whole indirectly connection, and I can mark these cities as a visited. At the end of that, I can reach the total provinces. As you can see here, I have iterated the given list by thinking that it's the city number or the city index and its connection. Firstly, I check that if I already visit that city. If not, I increase the number of the province 1 because I can visit whole indirectly lists or indirectly connection, and because of that I call these functions. With these functions I make recursion, and the aim of the recursion is that to find whole indirectly connections. And at the end of that, if I don't have any indirectly connection, or if I don't have any connection, that means that new province. I increase the number of the province one more time, and at the end of this loop, I get to whole provinces. If you run the code, it's okay. Let's submit that. I have submitted one more time. First of all, yeah, faster than 83% of the Python 3 and less than 21% of the Python 3 memory usage. Yeah, I hope that you got with the logic. If you don't, if you have any problem, you can just type under the video. Thank you very much for your watching. See you later.